everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna show you how to moisturize your hair the proper way. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And if you haven't already, please smash that like button for your boy so you can help the YouTube algorithm. But yeah guys, I appreciate you for clicking on this video, road to 100K. But I'm gonna show you how to moisturize your hair, and we are starting right now.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Welcome back. I did a washing style yesterday and my hair was super dry before I even brushed my hair this morning. Alright, I went to sleep and a do-rag fell off, but you know, I bounced back. That's what I do. First thing you want to do is you want to comb out your hair. When you comb out your hair, you detangle it. You take out the dry scalp. At this point right here, I don't have any dry scalp yet because I recently just did a washing style. So you just comb out your hair, make sure your hair is in place before you go in with the moisturizer, the oils, and the brushes. Alright, so next thing you want to do right here is just apply your moisturizer. At this point, I'm using a 360 Mercs moisturizer because 260 King Wavy moisturizer ran out. I had it for a year and it finally ran out. Next thing you want to do is get your 360 Mercs medium brush and just go in after you've applied the moisturizer, brush the moisturizer in, go in with your pattern and just try to lay your hair down as much as possible. Usually when I moisturize my hair, I don't use a medium brush, but since my do-rag fell off while I was asleep, I use a medium brush to lay my hair down. Alright, so after you finish brushing, next you want to apply your oil to seal in the moisturizer. I didn't apply any pomade because I'm not really going out and pomade is a little too heavy for my hair. I like to use light products as much as possible. And when I use pomade, it's usually when I'm going out and I'm not wearing my do-rag and I want the ultimate shine. Then I use my 260 King Wavy pomade. I have that linked in the description if you guys want to check that out. Get your product from 260 King Wavy, you can. Also, with the 360 Mercs brushes, I also got those in the description. Use my discount code 360 Juice for 10% off. Next, you want to go in with a medium soft brush. I have a 260 King Wavy medium soft brush, so I'm using that to try to lay my hair down as much as possible before I go in with my 360 Mercs ultra soft brush. You want to take that soft brush and go with your pattern and just try to lay it down as much as possible. Brush that oil in all into your hair and just make sure everything sinks into your scalp so you get the best out of the moisturizing method. So next right here, you want to go in with your 360 Merce Ultra Soft brush to try to lay every single hair follicle down to the scalp. This is the softest brush I've ever freaking used, and I'm gonna keep repeating this, man. This is the softest brush I've ever used, and you guys can get that brush and experience the softest brush ever. Link in my description. Use discount code 360juice to get 10% off, man. Softest brush ever. Feel like clouds on your head. Now after you're done, you could definitely do a plastic bag to lay everything down, but at this rate, I'm not using a plastic bag because my hair is laid already and I'm happy with the way it's laid. Now you just put your do-rag on and call it a day. That is my moisturizing method, and that is it. Now guys, this is how I moisturize my 360 waves. Like I said, I usually don't use a medium brush in my moisturizing methods, but since my do-rag did fall off while I was asleep, I decided to add a medium brush so I could actually pull my hair and back into place, back into how I want it to be. Yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out a lot, man. And all my beginners, this video is really for you. I scalped my waves because of my beginners. I wanted to help you guys out from the bottom. And this is week 6. Next week will be week 7. From the scalp, and I came a long way, man. So it's been a great process. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 100K subscribers. And if you guys are wondering what video to watch next, it's gonna be up here. Click it, watch it, pay attention, and take notes. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.